Good morning. Yes, good morning everyone. So thank you for your time sa pag-join sa aming free CMA webinar for today. So we'll be discussing ano nga ba yung course na ino-offer ni Toppeg Animation. So Toppeg, we've been doing business since 1998. So yung iba sa inyo kapag medyo bata pa, so hindi pa siguro pinapanganak, nag-a-animate na ang Toppeg. Okay, so we want to share. So because ngayon, syempre yung generation natin maraming pasa-pasa, so we want to share our knowledge and experience pagdating sa animation production. So maraming sa mga generation ngayon na gusto mag-animate. So nalalearn namin na ang dami kong gusto kong mag-work sa anime studio, gusto kong mag-work sa Disney, gusto kong mag-work sa mga western na mga animation studio. So and also not lang naman sa mga animation studio. So meron ding mga job opportunities din sa mga game companies. Yung iba talaga gusto gumawa ng game. So na-excite sila kapag na-learn nila na meron palang school na nag-o-offer ng animation and game development. Yun. So, para i-share namin yung mga ano ba yung pwede niyong ma-learn, ano ba yung merong ino-offer si Tapec. So, we will be doing this series of, actually, this will be a series of free webinar para sa mga gusto mag-learn, and eventually, kapag interested, you can enroll sa aming 2-year course. Yan. So, I'll be giving the floor now to Ma'am Grace para po siya po yung magpe-presenter natin for today. So si Ma'am Grace po ang aming CEO sa Tapeg Animation and Creative Studio Inc. And our training school is Tapeg Institute of Animation and Design. Baka nalilito kayo, dalawa yung page namin. So one is for the production and one is for the studio. Schooling sa school po namin. So Ma'am Grace will be presenting today yung all about commercial media arts.
Ayan, thank you, Miss Edith. So,
And by the way, ma'am, kapag may mga questions, ma'am, pwede pong i-reserve muna nila and sa dulo po tayo mag-entertain ng
yeah,
question.
pwede nila actually sulat din
Pwede
sa chat
mag-chat.
box. Oo, pwede
Yes,
nila lagay sa chat
para hindi
box kung ayaw nila
makalimutan.
mag-address. So, we're open for any questions na meron habang umaandar yung presentation natin. Okay.
Yes.
So, let's start. Oh, may pumapasok pa si Jonathan. Teka, papasukin muna natin. So, I will start sharing the screen. Okay, share natin. And then, lagyan natin ng sound. No? Share sound. Si Mami, merong ano dito. Okay. I-full screen natin, no? Ayan. So everybody can see the full screen now?
Yes po.
Ayan. So let's start the presentation. So marami kasing curious. What is commercial media arts? Ano yung Tapeg Institute of Animation and Design, no? And all other trainees that we have at Tapeg. So explain namin dito sa presentation na to. And if you have questions, chat nyo lang or mamaya mayroong question and answer portion tayo later, no? So, sino muna ako? Hello, ako yung inyong makapagsalita for today. Ako si Miss Grace Di Marana. Siyempre, I'm the CEO of Tapeg Animation and Creative Studio since nag-start siya way back 1998. Of course, I'm also the founder and school directress of Tapeg Institute of Animation and Design. Meaning, together with my partners, kami yung nag-start ng school kasi bakit? Kasi we need the manpower to help us in our production, and also marami ding studios na naghahanap ng mga professional artists, animators to be part of their production. So, nag-earn na kami ng name as a training studio nung una. And then we separated to have a separate training center and a school. So that's why nagkaroon ng Tapeg Institute, no, of Animation and Design. So I'm also the board director of Animation Council of the Philippines since year 2000. So minsan presidente, minsan vice, and now I'm currently one of the board of directors. Okay, I'm also a member of the Game Developers Association of the Philippines. So member kami kasi may mga ginagawa kaming game sa studio. I'm also laging consultant for education and trainings ng DepEd, ng TESDA. DepEd is for the senior high school, TESDA for the animation, design, and game curriculum. And also for CHED, currently I'm the technical panel for animation and game development. So inaayos namin yung mga curriculum for the 4-year courses ng animation and game lang. Yun lang ang covered ko. Okay, so I'm also a consultant for production and content creation. So yung mga gustong magtayo ng studio or gustong maggawa ng original content, ayan, production management, yan yung mga nagko-consult sa akin. Okay? So, siyempre, bakit ko alam niya, no? Kasi I'm an animator also. I'm a digital artist and I'm instructor for art, design, and animation. And the creative business side, yung creative business side, paano pagtayo ng business on the creative side, and also production management. So ako ay more than 35 years na in the creative industry. Siguro hindi pa kayo pinapanganak. Okay? So, I've been part of the industry and I'm loving it kasi yun ang gusto ko since I was young. Nasa drawing talaga ako, nasa puso ko talaga siya. And nakakatuwa, naging career ko siya at naging business pa. Kaya, sinishare ko na siya ngayon dito sa school namin. Okay? Together with our fellow industry professionals. So, ayan na. So, alam natin that the creative industry is growing, di ba? Kasi nako, very visual ang mga tao, lahat nasa nasa mobile phone, we watch sa internet. Actually, wala natin na nag-watch ng TV, but it's growing, no? At may AI na ngayon. So, syempre, dahil nag-grow siya at very visual, needs storytelling, the world needs creative professionals. So, we are addressing that need, no? So creative careers continue to expand across animation, gaming, advertising, digital media, education, and entertainment. So as a production house, we are addressing the issue of the manpower or the creative professionals. Kasi kailangan din namin sa studio namin at kailangan din ng ibang mga companies, whether online or on-site, yung mga creative professionals that needs the latest industry needs. Ayan. Okay. So next, ito yung namin. This is our building. So Tapeg building. Cute lang siya. Sa Las Piñas. So nag-start kami 1998 pa. So as a professional animation studio. So we do a lot of international productions. We do a lot of animation, clean up in between, digital coloring, games, name it, no? Designing, character, model sheets, iba-iba. Kasi lahat kami magagaling kami lahat sa traditional to digital. So we can accept work whether local or international, but 80% of our work is coming from international productions. 20% lang ang sa local. Okay? So that is Tapeg Animation and Creative Studio. Ngayon, we realize that at a certain point, nakulang kami sa manpower kasi some of our trainees are going to different studios here in the Philippines. So, kailangan namin mag-train ng new manpower. That's the reason why nagpa-accredit kami sa TESDA. So, we are accredited for animation courses and programs, art courses under TESDA. At the same time, nagtumutulong din kami sa TESDA for curriculum development. So, later on, while doing the curriculum development for TESDA, na-approve naman siya, may short courses na kami, scholarships, and then eventually we went to the 2-year course kasi we need more training pa na mas extensive for the creatives. Okay? So that is Tapeg Institute of Animation and Design. So whether yung graduates namin ay ma-absorb namin or gusto nilang magtrabaho abroad or gusto nilang mag-try to other studios, it doesn't matter as long as magawa nila yung skills na natutunan nila sa aming trainings, whether short workshops or the 2-year course, which is the commercial media arts. Okay? So today, dalawa yung ginagawa ng Tapeg. No? May production pa rin kami, continuous pa rin. And then of course, we have the trainings, continuous pa rin because we are accredited by TESDA. So meron kaming connection with TESDA every year, no? So here are some of the clients that we had in the past. So we have done work for Disney. We have done work for Way Forward, which is a game company. We have done work for comics, graphics design sa Glasshouse Studios. We had done production work with Kinspot for Cartoon Network, Nickelodeon, Hanna-Barbera. Yan yung mga ginagawa namin ng work na international project. So, sipin nyo, yung standards namin are accepted in the international stage as a production studio. So ang tagal na namin, no? Since 1998. So nag-evolve din yung namin, skills namin, which is what is needed in the industry. So in our studio, all of our artists, except si Miss Edith, kasi admin siya, knows how to draw by hand traditionally and knows how to draw digitally. So both ways marunong yung mga artist namin. Walang hindi, lang doon, nasa computer. Okay? Parehong marunong. Padrawingin mo sa lightbox or sa paper, marunong. Padrawingin mo sa digital, pen, tablet, graphic display, marunong sila. So that's what we teach to our students, no, or sa workshops namin or sa two-year course. So to show sample of what we do in the studio. Ito yung sample of our works, no? Let's see kung, I hope hindi mag-lag sa inyo. Let's play the video. Iba-ibang klaseng animation output ko. Hirap magka. So I hope you enjoyed that. So yung mga gumawa dyan are part ng team namin na tinrain namin before, mga students na tinrain namin before na naging part na ng studio namin, di ba? Yeah, so mga galing trainees din namin yon. So next question, oh my gosh, what is commercial media arts? So ang dami nagtatanong, the two-year course that we have, no? Before, it was on-site, no? Nasa school namin. Kaso ang dami nagreklamo na, ma'am, taga Bulacan pa ako, taga Mindanao, yung pamasahe, yung mga gano'n, wala ba kayong online, ganyan-ganyan. Yung kami lang ang school na nag-o-offer ng professional training kasi puro industry professionals ang teacher. So what is commercial media arts, no? Para siyang 2-year associate degree program. So it's a 2-year associate degree program under applied arts that focuses on art and creative fields. Okay? Is an associate 2-year parang trade siya, no? Associate degree. Na matututo ka talaga ng specific skill, pero naka-concentrate siya sa arts and creative skills, no? Ayan. So, sa commercial media arts, there are 4 majors na pwede kang pumili. So, pwede kang mag-major in 2D animation, pwede kang mag-major in 3D animation, pwede kang mag-major in graphic design, or pwede kang mag-major ng game art and development. So, hindi pwedeng lahat yan kukunin mo. So, meron kang i-major na talagang gusto mong gawin para ma-master mo, magkaroon ka ng magandang portfolio. Okay? So, anong tinuturo namin? Foundational creative skills. So, hindi kami nag-i-start na magko-computer kayo. So, dumadaan lahat sa foundational creative skills. Magdo-drawing kayo, mag-i-sketch kayo, illustrate kayo, mag-aaral kayo ng anatomy. Ayan. Plus, of course, after that, tuturuan kayo ng digital skills kasi digital na ngayon. Gagamit kayo ng pen tablet, ng mga software, graphic display tablet, kung ano yung latest ngayon sa industry na pwede nyo gamitin, no? Hindi lang mouse. Okay, and afterwards, you have to create a professional portfolio, which is the thesis or the capstone projects. So, ang graduates ng 2 years namin will have a professional portfolio showcasing their skills. Kung sila ay major in 2D animation, ang capstone project niya ng thesis niyan ay either teaser, 2D animation teaser, or a short film. Kapag 3D animation teaser, or a short film din na 3D. Pag graphic design, ad campaign yan. All about ads and campaign, no? Na may nagdi-design sila ng ano na yon. And then sa game art and development, it's about teaser for a game or a short, simple game. Okay, hindi kami programmers dito. We just allow yung mas ano kami sa game assets, yung game animation, okay, game backgrounds. And then kung gusto nilang magkaroon ng programming, meron namang simple lang. Hindi kami yung heavy programming. Okay? So these courses are designed to prepare students for today's creative industries. So paano namin today's creative industries kasi all of our teachers are creative professionals. So mga art director, animation director, background head, yung mga ano sila, supervisor ng cleanup in between, supervisor ng cutout animation. So puro mga taga-industry. So kung ano yung ginagawa nila ngayon, kung ano yung latest trend, inaano na yon, inaayos nila, pinapasok nila sa curriculum nila. Okay? So, kung may AI na ngayon, okay, hindi kami tuturo ng AI sa simula. Hindi yan part ng ano na, foundational skills muna. Yung AI namin nasa dulo, nasa graduating part na ng students namin kasi pang-enhance na lang yon. It's another tool to be learned para magamit nila sa kanilang skill as creative artist, no? Ayan. Okay? So what will you learn, no, here? So, drawing, illustration, animation, graphic design, motion graphics, game art and assets, storytelling, kasi may script writing, gagawa kayo ng stories, and of course, portfolio development. Okay? Next, ano pa bang ating susunod na screen dito? Okay. So here are some of the works na gawa ng mga students dito, no, in the past. So mga character design nila, nagagawa nilang animation, yung mga character concepts, okay? May 3D na ginawa nilang short film at sinali nila sa mga animation festival like the Anima Minasyon, nanalo, naging finalist. Okay, sa mga 3D ano nila, short stories. Merong 2D short stories. Okay, this one is from OWO. Naging finalist din sa Animation Festival. It's about a cat. And then we have, ginagamit nila for 3D presentations sa mga environment. Okay, gumagawa sila ng mga storyboards for their own portfolio. And also game. Okay? Ayan. So our graduates are building creative careers. So saan ba sila napupunta? So either nagtrabaho sila sa companies or nagtrabaho sila on their own, commission-based, or nakapasok sila sa medyo sikat na na studios, no? So here are some examples, no? Si Miss Victoria Crisostomo, naging 3D environment artist na siya sa Ubisoft Philippines. She's a graduate of Commercial Media Arts and now she's working at Ubisoft Philippines it's a game company. Okay, and then si Stephen Gonzalez is also a graduate of visual arts naman siya. Motion graphic artist naman siya sa HPL Game Design. So gumagawa ang HPL din ng game assets, mga motion graphics, comics, ganyan. Si Ezron Batan din is a game artist now at CMD Studios. And then si Brix Colacion is a 2D animator at Mega Cat Studio. So these are some. Some of them are with us at TopPeg and some are in different animation studios here in the Philippines. Okay, like Top Draw, Snipple, Toon City, Toei, yan. So, ano yung advantage, no? You learn from industry professionals. So, yun yung pinagmamalaki namin sa Tapeg Institute of Animation and Design. Yung mga instructors namin ay hindi theoretical. Okay, mga industry professionals. So, isa sa mga nagtuturo, yung mga animation directors namin, no? So, si Luis Dimaran, my husband, no? He's a 2D and 3D animation director, storyboard artist, concept artist siya ng Tapeg. So, nagtuturo siya ng ng advanced animation, illustration, at saka anatomy ang tinuturo niya, no? Si B-Boy Hernandez is an expert background artist. He is working with Toei Animation Philippines as background artist for how many years na? More than 15 years na, no? Si Alistair Allison Sartu, better half ni Miss Edith, is an animation and technical director. He's also directing a lot of games and a lot of animation na nag-go through sa Tapeg, no? Yan. Is teaching, motion graphics, compositing, game, document, ano pa ba siya? SketchUp, ang dami rin tinuturo ni Sir Alster, ni Direct Alster. And then of course, yours truly, I'm the CEO and creative director, but I love to teach you. I teach yung business in animation, business in creatives, production management, advanced animation, cleanup in between. Tumutulong ako sa production in terms of as a creative director, no? So I'm part of the Animation Council of the Philippines as board director. Okay? So the students learn from professionals who are currently working in the industry. So, of course, may technology na tayo. Hindi natin matatakasan yan. So, we usually use Clip Studio, Paint X, okay, for animation and for designing, for drawing, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects, yun ang mga usual ginagamit. Sa 3D namin, they use Blender. Yung iba naman Maya, but most of the time Blender. And then sa mga tools, pwedeng XP Pen, pwedeng Huion, pwedeng Wacom. No, depende sa inyo kung ano yung afford nyo, no? Basta meron na kayong dapat pen tablet or graphic display kung afford nyo, no? But definitely, ito yung mga industry software na tinuturo namin na kailangan ng pag nag-a-apply sila, no? For work. Okay, so ano yung mga career opportunities? So when they graduate here, they can become a 2D animator. Ano yung 2D animator? Merong cutout animator, merong paperless animator, or digital animator, traditional animator. So pwede rin sila maging game artist, no? Gumagawa ng mga assets ng games, ng characters, ng background. Pwede rin maging illustrator, digital man siya or manual, visual graphic artist para multimedia, no? 3D animator. Okay, so content creator, gusto nilang gumawa ng sarili nilang content, gusto nilang mag-direct ng sarili nilang film, kaya nila kasi tinuturo din yon sa 2-year course kasi gumagawa sila from script writing yun pre-production, production to post ang ituturo sa kanila doon. Okay? So why choose Tapeg? So hindi kami malaking school, hindi kami malaking training center, pero we are very particular with the students na gusto na maging part ng namin, ng trainings namin and workshops in the 2-year course. So, why choose us, no? So, we're more than 27 years na in the industry, so we know what we are doing. Ang faculty namin ay taga-industry. Portfolio-based ang namin, ang ginagawa namin grading dito, system. Ibig sabihin, we really prioritize na makagawa sila ng magandang portfolio. Kasi yun ang magiging part ng career nila when they apply or they get clients. We are a professional studio, so the students can actually come in and do OJT in our studio. Yung malalayo, ini-schedule yan. Kunyari, nasa Mindanao kayo or Iligan City or nasa Cebu kayo, ini-schedule namin yung paano kayong mag-OJT sa actual production. Okay, nakaschedule yun, hindi yung basta biglaan. And ina-assist namin sila dito sa Manila na malapit sa studio namin yung place to stay or kung may kamag-anak sila or something. So, of course, pag nag-graduate sila, hopefully they are career ready, no? Yun ang gusto namin mangyari, makapagtrabaho sila sa studios, makakuha sila ng commission-based work on their own. Ayan. So we just don't teach creativity. We prepare creative professionals. Yan. Ano ba ang ginagawa sa commercial media arts or CMA, the CMA experience? So, of course, may students kami, may mini workshops kami, may studio projects silang pwedeng gawin sa OJTs nila, or they can do their own content. Meron kaming time na gumagawa kami ng content, sinasali namin yung gawa ng students sa mga sa mga competitions. Yan, competitions. And then of course their portfolio, we guide them in their portfolio. And isang ginagawa namin sa CMA is we encourage them to go to industry events. Kasi dito, sa industry events, they will learn a lot from different speakers, current speakers about game, graphic design, animation. So ano yun? Ano yung examples no, na pinupuntahan ng mga students namin, nire-require namin kapag kailangan nilang malaman what's happening in the industry. Okay? Ano yon? Like Animahinasyon Festival where we invited the mga international speakers for animation, sa mga animation students namin to. Sa mga PGDX, game, game conference and competition din. So actually this July na sila. Mga gamers naman to, no? Mga game developers naman na nagko-convene dito, no? Game art, game developers, mga artists. So, sa mga game students namin, dapat umattend sila niyan. And then we have the Graphica, no? Graphica Manila for graphic designers naman to. So, yung mga major in graphic design, kailangan naman nilang umattend dito para ma-experience naman nila ano ba nangyayari sa industriya, ano bang latest trend, latest equipment, latest na nangyayari sa designs, dyan yun, sa Graphica Manila. So, example to ng mga events. Okay? Ayan. So, ito na tayo. Wow. Ano yung tinuturo namin, no? This is an example of tinuturo namin sa commercial media arts. So, ang first year namin ay foundational skills. So, dito tuturuan ka ng i-enhance pa yung drawing and perspective mo, design principles mo, visual arts. Ito yan office basics. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Tuturuan kayo kung di kayo marunong mag-Excel file, PowerPoint, 'di ba? Yung mga Word, pag type ng Word, may nagtuturo kasi ang 2-year course namin, tinanggal namin yung mga unnecessary subjects na hindi naman kailangan ng isang creative person. Pero, yung mga office basics, kailangan na yan for client presentation, for emailing clients niya, emailing, di ba, yung mga boss niya o something, dapat marunong siya mag-communicate. Part yun ng training namin. Of course, may history of art and animation. Meron kaming clean up in between, traditional muna, assistant animator 1, and then 3D model and texture, using Blender. And then yung iba, parang nag-struggle na hindi pa po ako marunong gumamit ng pen tablet, hindi ako masyadong marunong maggamit ng Photoshop. May separate kami doon, class kung hindi sila marunong. Yung mga marunong na, hindi na sila kailangang matindihan. Okay? Yung mga hindi marunong, kailangang matindihan. Kasi makukulelat siya kapag hindi siya masanay gumamit ng tablet niya, no? So, kailangang matutunan niya yan. Okay, so, ayan. Dito sa first sem, lahat ng majors a-attend nito. Kailangan nila yan. Parang para sa amin ay kailangan ng daanan to. Lahat ng major. Kung animation, 3D, 2D, graphic design, at saka yung game. Kailangan daanan nila to, lahat sila. Tatanong kayo, bakit kailangan dumaan sa 3D model ang 2D? Bakit kailangan, di ba? Kasi, bakit kailangan dumaan sa 3D modeling ang graphic design? Kasi kailangan nila yan, tool nila yan, para makatulong sa kanila, especially sa graphic designer, na makagawa na sila ng mga 3D models. Hindi lang sila designer ng flat 2D, no? Marunong silang mag-model. Makakatulong yan sa kanila very much in graphic designing. Magiging more 3D na sila ngayon. Okay? Bakit kailangan daanan ng 2D? Ganun din. Para yung 2D nila, pwede lang ma-convert into 3D kahit simple models lang siya. Okay? Second sem. Ayan, tuturo na sila ng basic storyboarding, digital design, book illustration, yung talagang actual book illustration, script writing, anatomy, ayan na, mga anatomy na, assistant animator, continuation lang to. Okay? 3D character rigging, hindi nila attendant to. 3D character is for the 3D majors lang. Concept design, para sa lahat to. So, ang hindi lang attend dito, yung mga sa 3D rigging, 3D major lang nandito. For the rest, ay all of the major sa atin dyan. Okay, foundational kasi ito eh. Third SEM, ayan na, layout and BG illustration, graphic design image, motion graphics, digital background coloring, anatomy continuation, 2D animation to digital, and 3D animation. So, dito, nagse-separate na sila, no? So, yung mga 3D major, 3D animation, 2D major, nasa 2D animation, anatomy, lahat pa rin ng major, digital background and coloring, lahat pa rin ng major, mag-a-attend yan. Motion graphics, lahat pa rin ng major, a-attend yan. Graphics design, lahat pa rin ng major. Layout and BG illustration, I think sa 2D lang to. Nakakonsentrate lang sa 2D major. So, medyo naghihiwalay na sila kasi hindi naman nila, yung iba hindi naman nila kailangan yung ano na yon subject. So, yan yung first year. Nagpa-foundational kami, skill dyan. Pagdating sa second year, ayan, naghahanda na sila portfolio nila, no? So, meron na silang pitch Bible. Ano ba yung ihahanda nilang pitch Bible, models, backgrounds, kung gagawa sila ng thesis or capstone project. Nagtuturo pa rin yung 3D composite, tuloy pa rin yung 3D, no? Meron silang 3D compositing and render. Yung mga major in game, meron sila game lang, major in game lang ang pwedeng umattend nito. 2D animation, cutout, flash animation, major in 2D animation. And then, lahat sila attend itong soft skills. Kasi, ang napansin namin sa mga artist kasi, most naman is mahiyain. Mahiyain, nahiyang makipag-usap, nahiyang makipagkita sa mga tao, no? So, meron kaming personality development and leadership development, yung soft skills. Yung turuan sila how to articulate, how to communicate well, paano ba sila haharap sa mga tao, yan yun, no? Sinama namin sa training sa kanila. Of course, we have production management. Paano kung meron na silang project na i-handle? Paano nilang gagawin yun, no? Paano mapag-cost ng mga projects? Nandyan yun. And then web design. Bakit kasama yan? Web design. Okay? Design lang, hindi sila magpo-program, ha? Kasi, yung mga portfolio nila, mga ginagawa nilang samples, they need to showcase it somewhere, no? Hindi pwedeng pang-post lang sa Facebook or saan-saan, no? Kailangan maging professional. So, we are encouraging them to have a website of their own where they can post their samples, their drawings, their animation, yung game nila. So, yan yun. Kaya sa tinuturuan. Okay? Of course, ayan na, second SEM na. Nagsisimula na yung pagbuo ng mga thesis nila or capstone project. So, yung mga major in graphics design, nag-ad campaign, ano na yan. Gumagawa na sila ng portfolio for ad campaign. Yung mga major in 3D, gumagawa na yan. Nagsisimula na, gumawa ng mga 3D animation, ano yan, o teaser or short film. Gumagawa na yung major in game ng game trailer or a short game, no? And then yung 2D animation, nagsisimula na sila sa short film nila or teaser. And then tuloy pa rin yung soft skills dito. May portfolio, how do you professionally build your portfolio? And then production management too, tuloy pa rin to, tuturo pa rin. And then digital marketing, okay? Bakit meron ganyan? Kasi meron ka nga website, di ka naman marunong mag-market, paano? So, tuturuan sila niyan. Okay? Pagdating sa third SEM, presentation na to. Remember, each SEM is 3 months, 3 months bawat isa. 3 months, 3 months, 3 months ang bawat SEM. So, sa third SEM, magpe-present na sila. We invite, mostly pag presentation na ng thesis or capstone project, we invite other industry professionals with different companies. So, we invite animation directors from different company, game directors from different companies. So, we invite them to see the presentation of the of the students, and then ask questions about it. Baka matuwa sila, they can hire the student pag nagustuhan nila yung output ng estudyante, di ba? Ayan, so may soft skills pa rin dito kasi they'll be talking about career and job application. Ituturuan sila dyan kung paano. And then I will be teaching business and creatives. Paano kung ayaw mo naman pumasok ng studio? You want to have your own business or gusto mo maging entrepreneur, tinuturo namin yan sa kanila. It's an option for them. And of course, Miss Edith, nagtuturo yan ng ito, pinakakatuwa. Paano ba yung mga taxes, SSS, PhilHealth, paano yan? Ano yan? Paano kayong papasok dyan? Paano kayo deductionan dyan? No? Dapat alam nyo yan if you're already going out and working, no? Ito yung latest namin. So last year, nagsimula na kami dito. So, sa mga graduating students namin, ay tinuturuan namin sila ng AI tools for creatives. Meaning, tuturuan sila ng mga importante lang na AI apps na pwede nilang gamitin to enhance their productivity, hindi para maging addict dyan, ha? To enhance or to upskill themselves kung ano yung latest lang sa AI. Okay, so yung ano namin, instructor namin dito is talagang AI, ano talaga siya, expert talaga siya. So, maraming matututunan yung mga babata as an additional tool, no, for learning. Pag graduate nila, hindi sila clueless, ano ba yung AI? Marunong sila. Okay? Ayan. I hope kung may questions kayo later, magtanong na kayo dyan sa chat. Okay, so paano namin ina-assess ang mga, so how do we assess students? So of course, kahit online ng commercial media arts, may 10% yung attendance. Titignan ng mga, nag-record yung mga teachers, titignan yung attendance, activities nila 30%, okay, yung may pinapagawa sa kanila online, and yung projects nila, whether online or assignment to or what, 60%. Di ba? Ang laki ng percentage sa activities and projects kasi actual na gagawa yung student. Okay? Hindi pwede sa amin ang theoretical lang. Kailangan pakita mo if you are learning something, no? So, output-based grading system kami. Kung ano yung tinapos mo, yun ang gagrade ng mga teacher mo. Okay? So, all the online classes are recorded. Ni-record ng teacher kasi you don't know what situation is sa iba-ibang regions. Baka may bagyo, hindi maka-attend, naka-record, at least makahabol yung student. Diba? Ayan, o kaya may brownout o something sa ibang region. Ayan. So activities are monitored and graded, and the projects are monitored and graded. So yun yung ginagawa. May recording lahat. So para makahabol yung mga students. Okay? Ayan, meron naka-open ng ang camera. Ay, yan. Okay, next. Tuition fees. So ang tuition fee namin is 50,000 pesos per sem. So we have 3 sem per year. Pwede ka namang per sem ka lang magbayad or type nung magulang mo na 1 year pwede naman. Okay, so tapos may installment basis. Sa mga hindi agad ma-afford yung 50,000, meron kami ino-offer yung mga admin, ang admin namin nag-o-offer ng 2 installments dun sa mga struggling. No? So, maliit lang yung tuition fee namin. Kami yata yung pinakamaliit na tuition fee. Tuition fee sa lahat ng school. Pero napakadami ng matututunan nila, no? Okay? Ayan, ito yung importante. Dahil naka-enroll ka sa 2-year course program, meron kaming scholarship with TESDA. Pero, yung scholarship funding namin sa TESDA comes in on a specific month. Merong, hindi siya consistent na, month of January, month of February, pa-iba-iba siya ng month. So, kung ano yung month na tinamaan ng scholarship namin na naglabas ng pondo yung TESDA, nade-deduct yun doon sa semester na yon. So, paano yon? So, 50,000 per semester. Sabihin natin sa second semester, may pumasok na funding for scholarship and test na 20,000 pesos. So, automatically, sa mga enrolled sa amin sa 2-year course namin, dideduct namin yon dun sa semestral tuition fee niya na yon. So, kung 50,000 ang tuition fee, minus 20,000, 30,000 na lang ang babayaran ng student namin. Kasi, meron siyang scholarship program. Naka-enroll siya sa scholarship program namin. Okay? Ayan, kung may question kayo dyan, later, tanongin nyo. So, meron din kaming short workshop. So, habang umaandar yung 2-year course, okay, na per 3 months, 3 sems, meron din kaming short workshops. Kasi bakit? Meron kasing mga students inquiry sa amin, ay gusto ko lang matutunan itong particular subject lang na to, game document. Oh, I just want to learn 3D. Ayokong 3D modeling lang gusto ko. Ayokong mag-aral ng 2 years. Or gusto ko lang mag-aral ng graphic designing na logo. Yun lang ang gusto kong attendan. Or gusto ko lang ma-improve yung anatomy ko. Anatomy lang ang attendan ko. May mga ganun kaming inquiry. So, ang ginawa namin, may mga subjects kami na in-offer namin for short courses. For example, ayan. So, isipin nyo ito yung namin, CMA. This is our CMA course for the first year. Ano yung short workshops? Okay? So, may nagtatanong, ay gusto ko pong, storyboarding and layout and background lang ang gusto kong matutunan. Pwede ba yon? Oh, yes. Pero, doon ka pa sa second sem and third sem makaka-enroll sa amin. Kasi diyan siya papasok, diyan siya lalabas eh. Ay, gusto ko lang matutunan ng ang anatomy. I just want to improve my anatomy drawing. So, papasok yan on a particular month sa amin, yung anatomy namin, ayan. Yan lang gusto niyang enrollan. Yan lang babayaran niya. Okay? That's what the fees for. Yung ano lang yung gusto niya. Ay, gusto ko lang kung matuto ng ano professional assistant animator or cleanup in between. So, ito yung ano, dito siya papasok. Diyan lang siya mag-enroll. Okay? I just want to learn 3D. Modeling and texturing lang and rigging. Yun lang gusto ko matutunan. So, yan. Yan lang ang a-attendan niya na class. Hindi na siya a-attendan ng the rest. Okay? Yan lang ang gusto nila. So, hindi to 2-year course. Yung short workshops lang ang gusto nilang attendan. Okay? Ay, gusto ko lang matuto na maayos yung graphic designing ko and everything, no? So, yan lang attendan niya. Okay? Ano pa? Ito pa yung example, no? Na ino-offer namin sa labas na short course. Hindi lahat ino-offer namin na short course. So, production management, ino-offer namin to as a short course. Yan. Ay, sorry. Balik tayo. Actually, pati business and creatives, meron yan. Minsan, game design document, pitch bible, sometimes ina-offer namin yan palabas. Okay? Ayan. So, kung may question kayo dyan. So, how to enroll, no? So, dito kung gusto niyo ng 2-year course, actually, meron siyang creative test. Okay, o kaya kung may portfolio kayo, papakita yung portfolio sample nyo, mga drawings nyo, whatever, kung ano man yun. And then may interview din. Okay, so hindi to basta kung gusto mo lang mag-aral sa amin and then okay ka na. Kasi we actually screen students na yun talagang they really want to learn. Kasi we don't want to waste the time of our instructors. Kasi they're all art direct. Mga supervisor sila. They want to teach yung mga students na gusto talagang mag-learn. And really spend time to have an output na ine-expect ng industry standards. So that's the reason why may test. Sa test naman, creative test, whether magaling yung drawing mo or hindi, ang mahalaga, matututo ka pa, ma-upskill pa namin yung yung drawing skills mo to a higher level. Okay? So that's the reason na tinilang lang namin, ginigage lang namin, ano kaya yung tsura ng drawing? Baka naman, stick drawing lang yung drawing mo, baka hindi ka pa pwede sa 2-year course, baka pwedeng short course muna. Okay? Sa portfolio naman, tinilang namin, ano ba skill level niya sa mga samples niya? Again, yung interview, okay, importante sa amin to kasi baka naman parents nyo lang ang may gusto kaya kayo in-enroll dito sa course namin. Kailangan kayo as the student, kung sino talaga yung interesado, siya yung i-interview namin, hindi yung parent. Okay, dapat hilig mo talaga to. Hindi pwedeng hindi mo to gusto. Kasi hindi ka magsusurvive. Okay? Sa 2-year course. Kasi lahat talaga magdo-drawing, mag-iisip ka, magiging creative ka. Kailangan gusto mo. Kundi hindi ka magsusurvive. Okay? Hindi ka magtatagal sa course. Okay? So, you just email tapeganimation@gmail.com yung i-admin namin if you're interested. I-schedule niya kayo ng test, interview, at hihinga niya kayo ng portfolio sample. So, bakit kami naggaganyan? To determine if you can qualify for the 2-year course. Okay? At magbibigay kami ng recommendation. Baka naman, nakita namin yung yung test mo, interview mo, baka hindi pa to. I-recommend ka namin sa short workshop muna na baka yun na muna yung daanan mo. Hindi ka pwedeng mabigla dun sa 2-year course. Okay? So, hindi kami salbahin na pa-enroll na lang pa-enroll. Bahala kayo si Batman. Hindi kami ganun. Okay? Hindi kami nag-aspire na magkaroon ng super daming students. Gusto lang namin ng mga serious and really, really want to learn the program. Okay? So, ano yung mga frequently asked questions sa amin? So, do I need to know how to draw? Well, it's a requirement. At least kahit paano may hilig kang mag-drawing. Okay, may drawing ka man lang. Kasi nakikita na namin yan sa creative exam. Kasi kung hindi, kung wala ka talagang alam sa drawing, hindi ka pwede sa 2-year course. Tuturuan ka lang namin dun i-recommend ka namin sa mga basic drawing class namin. Okay, sa mga short workshops mo, na wag sa 2-year course. Okay? Para hindi din sayang ang tuition fee nyo. Okay? Do I need my own laptop or PC? Yes. Kasi kung online tayo, dapat meron ka ng medyo, yung laptop mo, PC mo, it's at least high-end, no? Makakapag-support ng animation software or graphic software, yung yung laptop mo or PC mo. Okay? Of course, dapat may camera kayo, may microphone kayo. Kasi online tayo, maganda naman yung internet nyo. Okay? What software? So, most of the time, ang ginagamit nila Photoshop, Clip Studio, sa Adobe Illustrator, kung AI man, papadownload naman sa inyo yung apps na yon. Adobe After Effects. Yan. So, hindi yung sabay-sabay, Um, depende doon sa subject na dadaanan kung kailan lang gagamitin yung mga software na yan. Is there internship? Yes. Automatic yan sa mga estudyante ng CMA, Commercial Media Arts, may internship siya sa studio namin. This is what I'm telling you about. May time na 3 months. They can, 3 months ba? Miss Edit, 1 month or 2 months. Depende sa number of hours nila. They will go to the studio. Doon sila magpo-production internship. Whether game yan, animation, 3D, graphics design. Doon sila mag-i-internship. So, yung mga malalayo sa TAPEG, sa probinsya, regions, nag-a-arrange kami ng place na malapit, parang maliit na boarding house na safe, na malapit sa studio, naglalakad lang sila, no, going to the studio para masaya. No, they can just walk, exercise pa yun, no, and come into the studio. Iba naman, they have kamag-anak and relatives, no, in Manila, they stay there, then they just travel to the studio. Okay? Can I work while studying? If you are the full 2-year course, medyo mahirap kasi there's so many things to do, no? Activities and assignments sa commercial media arts. Pero yung mga nasa short workshops na namimili lang ng mga gusto lang nilang matutunan, yes, they can still work while studying. Kasi yun lang, may particular subjects na silang inattend. But the full CMA, medyo superman ka na, kung medyo superhuman ka na, kung kaya mo pang mag commission-based work, no? Kung kaya mo, wala namang problema. But looking at our students, ang dami nilang no, yung practical, yung parang gumagawa talaga sila ng mga templates nila, no? So may time yon, consuming ng time. Ayan, our scholarships available all the time. As I mentioned, may particular month lang na nagbibigay ng scholarship ng TESDA. So doon lang siya papasok. Hindi siya every semester. Hindi namin kontrolado ang funding ng TESDA. So they are the ones releasing the fund on specific month or semester. So hinihintay lang namin yon. Okay? Ayan. So again, you learn from industry professionals. You build a professional portfolio with us, and to launch your creative career. Yan ang binabantayan namin sa TAPEG Institute of Animation and Design at sa Commercial Media Arts. Okay? So learn from professionals, create with purpose, and build your future. Ayan, we can go, if you want to learn more about us, you can go to our website, you can go to our school website there, yung tapigiad.com. And you can email us kung may inquiry pa kayo, call us, ayan yung mga cellphone numbers, i-print screen nyo to, para you can, you can access most of our, yung mga post namin. Ayan. And what's happening with our studio and our school. Ayan. So, yan na po, Miss Edith. Take it away. Kung may questions pa tayo, ayan. This is the time.
Di ba? Thank you, Ma'am Grace. Thank you for the magandang presentation mo. Yan. I hope may natutunan po yung mga attendees po natin. So meron po ako nabasa dito na isang question po kanina from Paulo. You no longer use you're no longer using 3D Studio Max.
Sa TAPEG, we're not using 3D Studio Max kasi ang trend kasi ngayon nasa Maya or Blender. So that's the reason why we switched to Blender. Mas open source siya. Ayan. Sa Max hindi.
Yan po. So, yun lang po yung question na nandito sa chat natin. Baka meron pa pong question yung iba. Gusto niyo po magtanong kay Ma'am Grace or anything na about sa CME. Po,
or sa industry, about the industry.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi we're part of the industry. Yan. Pwede rin kayo okay, mahiya. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Gusto ba magtanong?
O kaya sa chat box, pwede kayong mag-chat dyan. Ayan. Sa akin may nagtatanong minsan, actually din minsan, most of the time. Tatanong sa akin, ano ba yung industry standards? Kasi may portfolio nga eh. Ano ba yung industry standards talaga na hinahanap? Okay? So, paano ko nag-apply sa gusto namin industry standards? Parang ang labo, di ba? Pero ang industry standards kasi, kunyari, may paborito kang panoorin, anime, mahilig ka manood ng whatever anime na gusto mong panoorin. Kung gusto mo maging animator ng isang anime show, parang style ng paborito mo, then, you need to draw like that. Yun ang industry standards kasi. So you need to achieve that kind of standard para makagawa ka sa ganung production. That's industry standards. So kung Disney naman ang gusto mo, then you need to animate like Disney, no? Yung ganung klaseng style ng animation nila. So you need to achieve that kind of skill. Okay, dun kami nakakapag-guide. Kasi mga Disney animators yung mga bossing dito sa top peg. And then yung iba naman cut-out animation. Yan, di ba? So iba naman game. Gusto mong magkaroon ng matuto na paano bang ina-animate yung Assassin's Creed, whatever. Kung anong game, di ba? So yung 3D doon, pinag-aaralan nyo. So kung gusto mong maging character model nun, mag-aral ka ng 3D. Yun ang standards na i-reach natin. Kung yun ang gusto mong matutunan. That's the industry standard na sinasabi. Na kapag nag-portfolio ka, dapat papakita mo kung ano yung pinakamaganda sa nagawa mo na nag-reach ng particular standards. Ayan. Ayan, meron pa bang question dyan?
Yes po, ma'am, meron pa pong isang question. Pwede po, from Nimrod. So, pwede po bang makapili lang ng short courses?
Oh yeah. Di ba sinabi ko nga, pwedeng 2-year course ang kunin nyo, or yung mga short, kung hindi mo naman ano yung ibang subjects doon, hindi mo naman kailangan matutunan yun, marunong ka naman nun, then you get the short courses na sinabi ko kanina. Ayan. Pwede naman.
Apo.
Okay.
Actually, before mag-start yung trimester namin, yung term, nagpo-post kami sa Facebook page namin ng mga ano yung available for the outsiders to attend ng mga short courses namin. So, magpo-post kami doon. So, pwede nyo abangan kung ano yung mga short courses na po pwede nyo i-enroll for that term.
Yan. Pwede ko pag pumunta kayo sa website namin, yung sa Topic Institute, di ba, Edit?
Napa.
Topic Institute
Andun
of
din po.
Animation and Design. Nandito yon. So, sandali. I-share ko sa inyo. Kung di pa kayo nakakapunta doon. Ito yung tsura ng website namin sa Topic Institute, no? Para makita nyo. Dito kayo makakapili ng nasa na ba ako? Ito. Share. Ayan. Ito. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo yung website.
Apa, yan. Kita
Ayan.
po.
So, yan. Nakikita nyo. Pag nagpunta kayo sa www.topiciyad.com, yan. So, makikita nyo dito yung commercial media arts, yung mga short courses namin. Ayan, workshops. Ito, si Nimrod ba yung nagtanong? Workshop.
Apa.
No?
Yan. So, yan yung mga subjects na po or short course na po pwede nyo enrollan.
Nakita nyo
Andyan
ito?
yung mga details and topics po.
Yung date na to, nakaka-coincide sa 3 sem sa 1 sem namin. Sa 1 semester ng commercial media arts na ino-offer na itong workshop na to, ino-offer namin sa labas. Kung gusto lang nila yung particular subject na yon. O yan. So yan, maglalabas ulit kami. Yan, iba-iba yan. Layout and background, 2D animation. Pero yung mga commercial media arts students, automatic, dadaanan nila yan. Okay? Hindi na sila kailangang magbayad na naka na sa enrollment fees nila. Pero syempre, pag ito lang ang kinuha mo outside na class, may babayaran ka syempre yung mga fees. May mga fees na nakasulat dyan. Ayan, makikita nyo naman sa website yan. Okay? Ayan, digital manipulation, AI for creatives, ayan. So, maglalabas na ulit kami. Babaguhin na namin to by August yata, Miss Edith, no?
Yes po, August po.
Maglalabas na kami. And then nakalagay dito yung sa kabilang side, dito sa under workshops, upcoming. Ito yung current, yung ongoing, no? Up to July 31 to. Ayan, tingnan nyo, malapit nang matapos. By August, may iba na to. Magkakaroon yan ng short workshops ulit. And then ito yung upcoming namin. Ito na. Drawing and perspective, design principle, office basics, assistant animator, 3D modeling, anatomy. Yun yung pwede naming ilabas. May madadagdagan pa to actually ng pitching yata, pre-production, pitching, ganyan. So, may mga web design, meron pang ganon. Okay, so, ayan. Tingnan nyo na lang dito. Nandito rin yung mga about CMA. Actually, kung may na-miss out kayo, nandito lahat. Courses, test na namin, admissions, paano, about. Ito po yung mga, dito maganda, may papakita ko sa inyo dito. Ito yung mga namin, at pag kinilik nyo yan, pupunta kayo sa particular course na gusto nyo. And then, may short workshops din dito. And then, asan ba yung mga, natin?
Ano po?
Teachers natin. Hindi ko na kung saan makita. Dito yata. Ayan. Ito yung mga faculty namin. Ayan. So, ito yung mga, pinakita ko na sa inyo kanina, yung mga bossing ng topic, nandiyan, tuturo kami. So we take time from our production schedules to teach, no? And then, may si Sir Jason, Baako, ano siya, supervisor din ng Cleanup in Between, si Sir Melvin, si Sir Sunny para sa soft skills, si Randy Valiente, nagtutulong siya sa comics. Ito si Mr. B-Boy, Rafael Hernandez, sa digital background. Ito yung sa book illustration namin, si Miss Christina Season. Puro mga industry practitioners to. Miss Royme, Sir Noel Barrios sa Cleanup in Betweening, pero anime. Ang ano niya, specialization niyan. Si Rostec for 3D animation, si Japden. So, puro mga nagtatrabaho na to. Si Sir Jake, storyboard and layout. Sir Nel sa concept art. Si Miss Kay sa visual arts. Sir Joseph sa art. Sa graphic design kasi art director. Si Baron sa web. Si Sir Cap sa digital. O yan. So, yun yung mga faculty namin. Yung sa AI namin si Miss Jane Bio. Okay? So, makikita niyo yan lahat sa website namin. Okay? Ayan. Ayan. May questions pa kayo? Ayan.
Meron pa pong isang question dito from John Larry. Ask ko lang po about sa game development side kung ano pong game engine po ang ginagamit po. Thank you.
Ayan. I think si Unity yata ang ginagamit nila or Unreal. Yung ibang estudyante. But usually very simple games lang ang ginagamit nila. Depende kasi sa estudyante kung gusto talaga ng seryosong game. Doon, meron kasi estudyante na ay gusto ko lang po simple game. So, nasa side-scrolling game lang ang ginagawa nila. Okay? Hindi kami programming dito. Okay? Pero pag gusto talaga ng estudyante, we really make sure na matutunan niya yung mga dapat niyang matutunan. Nag-a-adjust kami. Okay? Yun ang difference namin. Yan.
So, may mga simple may simple tinuturo si Sir Al sa simple coding para sa simple games. Pero yung the whole process paano mag-create, mag-design
Game, yes.
from
Tuturo yun.
game art,
Assets.
pitch Bible, yan, assets, yan, nadadaan
Tuturo
lahat. Hanggang konting program.
Yes.
Online din po ba yung test the scholarship? That's the next question po. So yung scholarship ay full face-to-face. Face-to-face po siya.
Pag pure test the scholarship lang attendan yung face-to-face. So, pag sa online siya, isa CMA yon. Ibang ano yon. Pwede siyang online sa CMA. Ano pa?
May question pa po? Pwedeng mag-unmute or pwedeng mag-chat sa chat box na. Okay, habang nag-antay tayo ng question, bali, explain ko lang po. So right now, patapos na po yung last term namin for the school year 2025 to 2026. So the next school year, school calendar namin, school year 2026 to 27, mag-start siya ng September. So right now, we're accepting enrollees. Yung may mga nag-exam na, may mga na-interview na rin. So we're still accepting mga enrollees and inquiries pa. Yan.
Okay.
Okay po. May question pa ba? Parang wala na pong question, ma'am. Just in case may mga question kayo na maisip later on or sa mga susunod na araw, you can chat po sa Facebook page po namin.
Okay, mag-email lang din sila, no?
Or pwede rin email or text. Nag-text ako sa sa lahat tinext ko sila. So you can text din po.
Ayan. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation. May nag-learn kayo anong ginagawa namin sa Commercial Media Arts at sa TAPEG. So yan ang history namin.
Okay, thank you for attending our webinar today. Thank you. God bless. Ingat po.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.